Welcome back to another Level Up Health video. In this video, we're going over the top 15 superfoods to add to smoothies. Now, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel as I'm always dropping new and exciting content. Thanks guys. Number 15. Hemp Seeds. Hemp seeds are a true superfood in every sense of the word. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, calcium, iron, and they're simply one of the most nutritious seeds available. Eating hemp seeds on a regular basis can prevent arterial plaque buildup, reduce blood pressure and cholesterol, and provide energy and support to the immune and circulatory system. Hemp seeds are also anti-inflammatory and high in antioxidants, so they can help improve recovery times from exercise, injury, and disease. They are a complete source of protein, and they're also an excellent food for vegans and vegetarians. Number 14. Chia Seeds. Chia seeds are anti-inflammatory, high in antioxidants, a good source of protein and fiber, and are high in phytonutrients, electrolytes, and minerals. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 18% of your daily calcium and 30% of your daily magnesium. Chia seeds also contain omega-3 essential fatty acids, which most people are deficient in. Number 13. Cacao. Cacao can typically be found in stores as either cacao powder, cacao butter, or cacao nibs. Although cacao is chocolate in its purest form, it's thought to be the highest source of antioxidants of any food, and it's also high in magnesium, an important mineral most people fall short on. Cacao is an excellent source of fats, minerals, vitamins, fiber, natural carbohydrates, and protein that makes it an excellent and energizing smoothie superfood. Number 12. Leafy Greens. Leafy greens contain beta-carotene, which help in the growth and repair of body tissues. They are also a good source of folate, which can reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and memory loss, as well as warding off depression. Vitamin E found in leafy green vegetables works with vitamin C to keep skin healthy as you age. This vitamin also helps protect your skin from the sun's damaging rays and may help reduce your risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Eating a diet rich in leafy greens can offer other numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of obesity, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Number 11. Ground flaxseed. Ground flaxseed is a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a mostly plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. ALA is one of the 2 essential fatty acids that you have to obtain from food you eat, as your body doesn't produce them. Animal studies have shown that the ALA in flax seeds prevented cholesterol from being deposited into the blood vessels of the heart. They also reduced inflammation in the arteries and reduced tumor growth. Flax seeds are a rich source of lignans. Lignans may help lower the risk of cancer, including breast cancer in women and prostate cancer in men. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flax has 3 grams of fiber, including both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber may help balance blood sugar and lower cholesterol levels. Number 10. Matcha. Matcha is part of the green tea family, but it's a unique member. Unlike traditional forms of green tea where you steep tea leaves in water to create the drink, matcha is the powder made from the actual tea leaves, just ground up, meaning it's a more potential source of nutrients than steep tea. In addition to providing small amounts of vitamins and minerals, matcha is rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, which have been tied to the protection against heart disease and cancer, as well as a better blood sugar regulation, blood pressure reduction, and anti-aging. Another polyphenol in matcha, called EGCG, has been shown in research to boost metabolism and slow or halter the growth of cancer cells. Number 9. Raw walnuts. Walnuts are also a true superfood in every sense of the word. By including a daily serving of walnuts in your diet, you can enjoy their cancer-fighting properties, improve brain health, increase levels of healthy cholesterol, and take advantage of their many antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Walnuts are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, which include copper, folic acid, phosphorus, vitamin B6, manganese, and vitamin E. They are also one of the richest dietary sources of antioxidants. These include ellagic acid, ellagitannins, catechin, and melatonin. Number 8. Camu powder. Camu powder is a less common superfood, but it definitely deserves to be on this list. Camu powder comes from a small, reddish fruit with yellow pulp and contains more vitamin C than any other food source recorded. In addition, it contains powerful phytochemicals like beta-carotene, potassium, manganese, calcium, iron, phosphorus, and a range of key amino acids. Camu is antiviral and with its high vitamin C content, an excellent way to support a healthy immune system. Number 7. Mushroom powders. 2 superfood mushroom powders to add are chaga and reishi mushrooms. Chaga mushrooms grow on birch trees in colder climates across North America. At first glance, it doesn't look like much, but this superfood mushroom offers a range of powerful health benefits. Chaga mushroom is mostly known for its ability to support the immune system, but it also contains a range of disease-fighting antioxidants, which can help normalize blood pressure and cholesterol and has antiviral and antibacterial properties. The other superfood mushroom, which is probably easier to find in stores, is reishi mushrooms. Reishi mushrooms have been long used in Asian cultures and have long been a symbol of well-being and longevity. Reishi also supports the body's immune system and can improve blood circulation. It's also been used to help treat anxiety, high blood pressure, insomnia, and even asthma. Both of these mushrooms, like maca, are considered to be adaptogens. Adaptogens are natural substances considered to help the body adapt to stress and to exert a normalizing effect upon bodily processes. In today's society, we are exposed to so many environmental stressors. Adaptogens may help our body maintain a normalized state despite the constant barrage of stress we experience today. Number 6. Turmeric. Researchers have found that phytochemicals from natural foods, such as curcumin found in turmeric, may be a safe and effective way to help reduce inflammation and prevent and treat disease. There is promising research to support curcumin's use for the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on obesity, to reduce arthritis pain and swelling, and to aid in complications such as diabetic retinopathy, nephropathy, and cardiomyopathy, making turmeric a great superfood to include in your diet. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger is an amazing immunity booster, plus its flavor goes well with almost everything. Ginger contains numerous other anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds beneficial to health, such as beta-carotene, capsaicin, curcumin, and salicylate. Some studies show that bioactive molecules in ginger may slow down the growth of some cancers like colorectal, gastric, ovarian, liver, skin, breast, and prostate cancer, but more research is needed. Number 4. Acai. Just like its berry cousins, the blueberry and cranberry, acai is loaded with phytonutrients, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, essential amino acids, and a range of trace minerals, especially manganese. Acai berries are also believed to help control appetite hormones, increase energy, prevent heart disease, and support metabolic function. Number 3. Spirulina. Spirulina is an algae and contains the highest percentage of protein of any food. Not only that, the protein is bioavailable, highly digestible, and is a concentrated complete protein because it contains all the essential amino acids. This makes spirulina an excellent food for vegetarians and vegans. Spirulina is anti-inflammatory, high in vitamins, phytonutrients, and antioxidants, which have been shown to reduce the risk of stroke, enhance eye health, and reduce cholesterol. Spirulina has a very strong flavor, so the easiest way to use it is to blend it into some smoothies where its flavor can be masked. Number 2. Chlorella. Chlorella is a powerful detoxifier because of its rich chlorophyll content. Chlorophyll is known to cleanse the bowel, liver, and blood, aid in optimal blood pressure, support elimination of heavy metals such as mercury and mold in the body, and promote the growth and repair of tissues. Beyond its detoxification benefits, chlorella is a powerful immunity booster, promotes healthy digestion, reduces oxidative stress, lowers blood sugar and cholesterol levels, reduces the risk of disease, and increases energy levels. Chlorella also contains protein and B vitamins, so it too makes for an amazing nutrient source for vegans and vegetarians. Number 1. Maca. Maca is known for its balancing effect on mood and hormones and its skin clarifying benefits. but the most well-known benefit of maca root is its potential to increase libido. It has also been shown to support strength, stamina, and endurance, making it a good superfood for athletes. Maca root also promotes natural antioxidants in the body, such as glutathione and superoxide dismutase. The antioxidants in maca help to fight off free radicals, which can damage cells in the body. Some people believe antioxidants can help prevent health conditions, including heart disease and cancer. That's it for today's video on 15 superfoods to add to smoothies. Thanks for watching, and if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button as it lets me know you guys are enjoying the content. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.